All right, I'm gonna get going on this little project here. I already got the roll cage figured out so it can tilt. Just want to show you that before I start really cranking on this thing. Of course, I got to make up a plate for the back and a lockdown, but yeah, works out perfect. I mean, it seems like a perfect size for this. Protects everything really well too, so you know that's solid, nice. All right, I'm gonna get to cranking here. I think I'll be in time lapse when I do it though. Well, so far so good. Everything's coming out pretty good. I decided not to hinge the frame to the cage because it's just too difficult. It makes the car too long and it's real hard to work on. So I just made it so the whole cage comes off and that works out good. I got tires coming for it. These are just they kind of work, but I got some better ones coming with aluminum rims and hard to find parts. I would have ran it today, but the linkage for the steering, I have to order that. So it'll be up and going pretty soon. All right. Thanks for watching.